Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share a home remedy with bedbugs. Vinegar. If you've ever explored do-it-yourself approaches for dealing with bedbugs, chances are you've come across numerous references to vinegar. It's frequently discussed on the internet as an inexpensive home remedy for eliminating bedbugs. If vinegar demonstrates its effectiveness, it would serve as an ideal remedy for bedbugs. Not only is it budget friendly and easily accessible in stores, but it also provides a safer option compared to chemical insecticides. But does it truly live up to the claims? Let's find out together. In this video, we'll show you how vinegar can be a natural remedy to deal with those pesky pests. Then, we'll learn how to use vinegar step by step to get rid of bedbugs in an eco-friendly way. So, no more wasting time. Let's get right into the video and say farewell to those pesky bedbugs. Let's get started. Bedbugs are annoying pests that can prevent your sleep, concealing themselves in mattress seams, bed frames and furniture, only to emerge at night and bite you. Having bedbugs can lead to physical discomfort and stress. It may also result in sleepless nights and a lot of mental health issues. Rather than opting for expensive chemical insecticides, you have the option to save money by experimenting with DIY methods such as vinegar or essential oils. So why not give it a try? What is vinegar? Vinegar is a sour liquid made by fermenting ethanol with acetic acid bacteria. Vinegar is typically made by fermenting alcoholic liquids, such as wine, cider, or other fermented fruit juices. It can also be produced from grains, rice, or even certain types of sugars. The resulting vinegar usually has an acidity level of around 5%, depending on the type and production process. It's widely used in cooking, cleaning, and as a natural remedy for various purposes. Common types include white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and balsamic vinegar. Vinegar can be used as a natural remedy for insects and pests. One popular application is its use as a natural pest control method against fruit flies, ants, and gnats. Does vinegar work against bedbugs? Yes. Vinegar's acidic properties can potentially harm bedbugs in several ways. Firstly, the acetic acid in vinegar can damage the bedbug's exoskeleton, which serves as their outer shell. This damage can lead to dehydration and weakness, making it difficult for the pests to survive. Secondly, vinegar's acidity can disrupt the bedbug's cell membranes and proteins, causing further damage to their bodies and interfering with their normal functions. Additionally, the strong and pungent odour of vinegar can act as a repellent, deterring bedbugs from entering or remaining in treated areas temporarily. Salt is another increasingly popular home remedy for eliminating bedbugs. Its widespread appeal leans in the affordability and easy accessibility aspect to everyone. To learn more, be sure to check out our video on using salt for bedbugs that I will link in the description in the video below. How to use vinegar for bedbugs. Here's how you can use vinegar. Step 1. Create a vinegar spray. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Shake the bottle well to ensure the solution is thoroughly mixed. Step 2. Identify infested areas. Inspect your living space for signs of bedbugs, such as tiny reddish-brown bugs, shed skin, or black fecal spots on mattresses, furniture, and other potential hiding spots. Step 3. Spray infested areas. Liberally spray the vinegar solution directly onto areas where bedbugs are suspected to be hiding. Focus on seams, crevices, cracks, and any other locations where bedbugs may be present. Step 4. Repeat application. Repeat the vinegar spray application regularly, as needed. This process may require multiple attempts to observe any potential impact on the bedbug population. For effective and comprehensive bedbug control, it's best to combine vinegar with other proven methods, such as thorough vacuuming, steam cleaning, bed encasing, and the use of bedbug interceptor cups. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable and safer approach for bedbug control, and you have vinegar at home, you should give it a go. Essential oils also have become popular home remedies for combating bedbugs. And if you're intrigued by this effective and natural DIY solution, we invite you to explore our dedicated video on the best essential oils to get rid of bedbugs. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these tips valuable. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY pest control tips and tricks. For affordable and natural DIY solutions against bedbugs, visit our website, CiaoBedBugs.com. Best of luck in your battle, bedbug fam. See you soon.